Pedal Commander is essentially bringing you back to an old pull system or mechanical system where you stepped on the gas, you had to lever that, opened up your throttle body, and then essentially gave you instantaneous response. Nowadays you have with the Pedal Commander unit itself an electronical response, which means you step on your gas pedal, it sends a signal to your computer which is going to tell your ECU to open up your throttle body, so there's a delay. With Pedal Commander, what that does is going to increase or decrease how fast that signal is sent, giving you an instantaneous response, almost bringing you back to that mechanical style pulley.
The Pedal Commander is a plug-and-play throttle response system. It's easy to install, plugs right into the cable behind your gas pedal. The Pedal Commander has 4 individual modes with 8 settings in each mode. The Pedal Commander allows the driver to fine-tune their throttle response while increasing the fun of driving.
Hey guys, Larry here with Pedal Commander. We're going to be going over our 4 modes that we have on our Pedal Commander units. First thing that we have today is Eco Mode, gas savings. 20% gas savings. It's going to slow everything down a little bit, but you're going to save some pocket cash. It's going to be great. Our next mode that we have is going to be City Mode. You can use City Mode anytime you just need to get a little bit more throttle response. There's no right or wrong way to use our units. It's really however you want your car to perform. So City Mode, if you're bebopping around town, just need a little bit of extra pep in your step, great place to use that. So the next mode we have is our Sport Mode. That's going to be probably the most extreme setting you're going to want to use for around town driving. Definitely will make it very, very sporty. After that, we have Sport Plus. Get out of my way, I'm in a hurry. Great for track use. Most extreme mode that we have to offer. Watch out.
So the benefits of using Pedal Commander is going to do a few different things for you. Some of you, it's just going to take you back to your original driving style, which means you're just going to be a lot more comfortable driving your vehicle. You're going to get your throttle response exactly where you want it as you drive in daily traffic. For others that are, say, off-roaders or racers, anything like that, you're going to get improved throttle response, which is going to give you a lot more control of your vehicle. If you're doing some off-roading, you're going to be able to go into our eco modes and you're getting a lot more traction while you're going up inclines or declines, and you're going to see huge improvements in what you can do off-road in that area. So overall, it's going to give you a lot of different settings, a lot of different modes that gives you more capability as a driver to control your vehicle, enjoy your vehicle more often, and use it as you would like to rather than what the factory just gives you.